Today was really good because the speakers were really influential in their talks, so they brought really strong cases. They were concise in what they were saying.
Well, I didn't know about space mining, so that's been really, really interesting.
Well, enough fun for me to come in front of the camera and express it right now. Yeah, it is a really good time.
Yeah, I've had such a great time. Learned heaps about emotional intelligence and how to improve my LinkedIn profile, and just loads of things that's going to help me as a young professional. So it's been a really great day so far, and I'm really looking forward to tomorrow.
For me, the thing that I take away is the connections that I built actually with other uni students. It's made me realise that Australia is quite a big country and that there's a lot of people studying great things around the place. So yeah, it's been really good.
Yeah, absolutely. Come to the event. It's a lot of fun and a huge amount of value to be learned as well.
AusIMM are really good. I've been to so many events and I've had a great time at all of it. So yeah.
I think if you consider the group of people that are here, this is the future of leadership for us.
Had a lot of fun, yeah. Meeting up the student chapters and stuff, so it was really good.
As an AusIMM presenter, I would highly recommend coming back as a presenter to engage with the amazing network, but also to be a participant. I think for Newcrest we would have an amazing range of our grads that could get so much benefit out of attending.
As a presenter today, I really wanted to come along and to learn more about what the professionals are doing in the field in terms of the youth that are coming up. So it's really great to see what these conversations are.
Oh, I'm having great fun. I've met so many people and people like-minded, people are doing mining, and it's so nice to talk to them and share what they have from their universities and compare the different things that we have. It's so much fun.
So much fun, the most fun ever. Yeah.